I'm Emily Wills. I'm a Managing Director at LaSalle in the Asset Management Division, looking after a range of commercial buildings. LaSalle's a real estate investment company. We look after a range of assets generally across the eastern seaboard. We've got a range of retail, commercial and some industrial sites, predominantly looking at the value add and sort of the core plus type investments where we're looking for development opportunities or repositioning.
Hi, I'm Simon Howard. I'm the co-head of Australia for LaSalle Investment Management. We first began to partner with CIM in August of 2021, and now we have 8 properties on the platform, 6 of which are of office and 2 of retail.
Building occupancy for us is sort of in 2 parts. So we want to retain the tenants that we've got, being able to offer stable thermal conditions, conditions that they can just comfortably work in has been great. And the Peak platform enables us to pick up problems and ensure thermal efficiencies through the floors. It also helps us reduce our operating costs and amounts. By doing that, we can obviously drive neighbours ratings, we're not using as much power, and we can get better efficiencies out of our buildings.
The main benefits that we've realised from the platform are obviously building efficiency and reducing energy usage within our buildings. We've been able to get a portfolio oversight, which has allowed us to take learnings from particular assets and apply them across the entire portfolio. And so as a result, all those things put together are really helping us drive asset value and investment performance for our clients.
Our indoor environment score is now sitting at 84%, which has been fabulous. So 2021, when we took our baseline data, we were sitting at 71%, so it's seen a great improvement.
The Peak platform obviously improves the asset value for us on a number of levels. Firstly, there's building efficiency and electricity savings and the cost benefits that flow from that in terms of not only the building NOI, but also tenant NOI as well. And LaSalle's very focused on driving our net zero carbon ambitions without impacting tenant comfort, and we find the Peak platform allows us to do that.
We can see where problems arise on day one, hour one, rather than waiting until the tenant makes a complaint, and then by then you've lost a huge amount of power. Also, it picks up problems that we've had with timings or things that are happening over weekends and out of hours, which we can't see because people aren't on site, and that's been really effective as well.
Across the platform, we've had over 370 initiatives raised with a closure rate of approximately 80%. There are currently 33 stakeholders that are actively using the platform across our portfolio.
I think there's always a little bit of uncertainty when you bring a new platform on. How's this going to affect me? Am I going to have someone else telling me what to do? I think that goes away very quickly. What we've found is that there hasn't been an issue at all with any of the teams looking. They've all seen it as a positive. They've taken it on board. They've recognised very quickly that actually this is a tool they can use rather than another reporting item that they've got to go through. It's a good platform for them to sort of chat on as well. Often where there's different groups of people, one problem might start as one thing but develop into something else. And this platform gives them a place where they can have those conversations and they don't get lost on email chains or groups of emails between people. If an industry peer was to ask if we'd recommend the Peak platform, we definitely have positive feedback on it. It's been fabulous for our business, it's given us insight into how our buildings are operating, and it's been really easy to work with, not just for us, but also for our wider teams on site.
We'd absolutely recommend the use of Peak. We find the platform really useful in terms of monitoring the building and applying learnings from our portfolio to the rest of the portfolio. We also find the CIM team really proactive and collaborative when it comes to implementation and ongoing management, and so that's really important to us that we have someone that's really got their eye on the ball.